In a recent development, Britain's food watchdog has taken decisive action regarding spice imports from India. Amidst contamination allegations against two prominent brands, the UK's Food Standards Agency has heightened scrutiny on all Indian spices. The controversy erupted after Hong Kong suspended sales of certain spice blends by MDH and Everest, citing elevated levels of a cancer-causing pesticide called ethylene oxide. Subsequently, Singapore issued a recall, and several other countries, including New Zealand, the United States, India, and Australia, initiated investigations into the matter. MDH and Everest, two renowned Indian spice brands, have adamantly asserted the safety of their products. However, concerns persist, prompting the UK's Food Standards Agency to implement additional control measures for pesticide residues in spices from India, specifically addressing ethylene oxide. Deputy Director of Food Policy at the FSA emphasized that the use of ethylene oxide is prohibited in the United Kingdom and strict maximum residue levels are in place for herbs and spices. While the agency did not provide specific details on the measures undertaken, it assured swift action to safeguard consumers against unsafe food. India, being the largest exporter, consumer, and producer of spices globally, is at the center of this controversy. The UK, a significant importer of spices, imported approximately $128 million worth of spices in 2022, with India accounting for nearly $23 million of the total. Both MDH and Everest export their products to various regions worldwide, including the US, Europe, Southeast Asia, and Middle East and Australia. However, amidst the ongoing scrutiny, Indian regulators have intensified testing and inspection efforts on spice products, particularly those from MDH and Everest. Despite these measures, no public results have been disclosed thus far. Notably, MDH has faced challenges in the US market with an average rejection rate of 14.5% of its shipments since 2021 due to the presence of Salmonella bacteria. This underscores broader concerns regarding food safety and quality control practices in our food practices. While global attention focuses on the safety of Indian spices, Canada's Food Inspection Agency had stated that based on current information, there is no evidence to suggest that products currently in the Canadian market are affected. Nevertheless, the situation continues to be monitored closely. As consumers worldwide await further developments, the spice industry faces scrutiny, highlighting the critical importance of robust regulatory oversight and stringent quality assurance measures in ensuring food safety and public health.